What up, everybody? It's your boy Manny Salgado. I got my friend Martha with me. So we're gonna go inside and show you guys one of my places, Plaza Los Panchos. Follow me.
That's really good.
Wow, that's really good.
¿Cómo? ¿Cómo? Camarones. You got the camarones, Chris?
I'm gonna try this right here.
Eat, you guys. Eat. Good stuff?
That was good.
What is that, bro?
Shrimp,
It's
steak, and chicken in here.
Yeah.
that's a
The Hawaiian fajitas.
The Hawaiian fajitas. It is fire. How's that? Good stuff?
Mm-hmm.
What is that? So this is the what now? El Señor Burrito. El Señor Burrito. All right, everybody. So obviously we're sitting down inside of Plaza Los Panchos. I got great friends, great food. They wanted me to try this. This is their most ordered dish. I have to say it looks amazing. I'm not gonna lie, I already had one bite out of it. It's called El Señor Burrito. I really recommend it. Come in and zoom in, Trees. So look at this burrito. So they drench it in a white cheese sauce. It's got some carne asada, the arroz. You know, you put a little bit of pico on there on the outside. Man, fire.
That looks yummy.
It is amazing. The cheese sauce. I can't lie to you, man. This cheese sauce, amazing. What? And then what is that?
This is our homemade fun.
Okay. Beautiful. All right, everybody, it's your boy. We just finished up a great dinner right here at Plaza Los Panchos. Guys, really quick, what did you guys think?
Absolutely delicious. Flavor, great.
Yeah?
Amazing.
Great service.
Service was amazing.
Service was
Taco
great.
was great.
I'm going to give it 2 thumbs up on the service. It was clean.
Yes.
It was very, very clean. What did you think, bro? Was it good? Great micheladas? And you had the fajita, man. How was that?
Yeah, that was great.
It was the Hawaiian
It was the
fajita.
Hawaiian fajitas.
The Hawaiian fajita was great. I had the burrito. That was amazing. My wife had a shrimp something.
The bacon shrimp something.
It was a cheesy shrimp something. She liked it.
Carnitas, salsa verde. Awesome.
Those were fire.
It was delicious.
Those were fire. I wanted to steal her plate, but I wanted to do a burrito, man. That burrito is their most ordered dish, and it looks like the fajitas, man. Those were. I tasted his fajitas. Those were fire. So again, everybody, Plaza Los Panchos is at 8 thumbs up.
That is fucking 20 thumbs up.
And she cussed, so that so you know that was good. When it makes you cuss, it was fire. So make sure you visit them, Plaza Los Panchos. Until next time, people, love, peace, and taco grease.